Hello YouTube and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So today we are going to do a tutorial on installing Windows NT 4.0 Workstation in VirtualBox. So yes, that's the OS that we're doing in VirtualBox this time. And yeah, so let's get started. So we're going to create a new virtual machine. We're going to call it Windows NT 4.0 Workstation. And we're going to have the version as NT4. Click Next. Click Next. And now we're going to create our virtual hard disk. It's going to be VirtualBox disk image, dynamically allocated, and 2 gigabytes is fine. Now we're going to go up to Settings, and then go to Storage, and then we're going to choose the NT4 ISO image, and if you don't have it, then you can choose virtual optical disk file, and you can search for it in your file explorer. So we're going to click OK, and now we'll start our virtual machine, and we're going to enter the setup from there. Alright, it's just inspecting the amount of memory in the system. It might take a minute or two, so just be patient. Alright, it's in the setup, so we're going to press enter to continue, and then we're just going to have a PCI IDE controller. And now we're going to press C to continue the setup, and then press your page down key to read the licensing agreement. Press F8 to agree with it, and we'll just press enter for now. And we're going to have 2040 megabytes as our unpartitioned space. And we're going to format the partition using the NTFS file system. Just formatting. Press enter. Enter. And now it's going to check drive C. And the setup is copying the files. Press enter to restart, and then it will do it again. And I think we press S to specify the additional device. Or not. And now we're going to, I guess we can convert the partition to NTFS and press C to convert. Again, it's checking drive C and copying the files. Alright, so now we're going to remove the CD-ROM and press enter to restart. Alright, it's now in phase 2 of the NT setup. We're going to reinsert the NT4 CD-ROM and then click OK. Click Next. And we're going to do it as the typical setup. Enter your name and organization. Click Next, and then enter your computer name. And your administrator account is optional, therefore I'm not going to do it. Alright, so you can just press this and install the most common components. And now it's installing the Windows NT networking. Okay, we're just going to select that. And now it's finishing the setup. So I guess we can click Finish. And now it's just, yeah, it's configuring your computer to run NT. Select your time zone. And we're just going to leave it as 16 colors, so since there's really no other choice. Alright, so you can release your CD-ROM again and restart your computer. Alright, so now we can log in, and before you do something, do not actually press Control-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, because when I did that one time, it just went to another screen and it just messed everything up. So do not do it on your keyboard. Instead, go up to Input and Keyboard and then select Insert Control-Alt-Delete, or you can press Host Delete on your keyboard, but for this I'm going to just click on this. Alright, so you can now log in. So this is Windows NT 4.0 Workstation fully installed in VirtualBox. And to prove to you that this is NT4, there it is. And everything is installed, like your Internet Explorer. Let's see if it works. It's version 2.0. Okay, so let's see if any websites work. Like, let's go to Google. Okay, I guess I can't. But I'll figure something out. So that's how you install Windows NT 4.0 Workstation in VirtualBox. So if this tutorial helped you, then you can like this video as well as comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and other tech videos. That said, this is Every Tech Time, and peace out.